Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good. That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. So in today's class, we will be continuing with the topic that we started on Monday. So who is going to tell me what is the topic that we started or that we are doing in this week? Yes, raise your hands. Okay, Vasik, you tell us, what is the topic? Very good. We are basically talking about the smallest unit or part of our society, which is our house, right? So remember when we started this course, when we started our classes on the very first day, I told you that social studies is all about society. It's all about societal things, all about societal relationships, parts of society, different norms of society. So our house, because we also live in society, so our house is also a part of society, and discussing that what a house is, what are different parts of house, what is the difference between the flats and a single story, what is an airy house, what are the houses which have a garden or not, right? So discussing all of these things is very important. Why? Because our house is an important part of our society. So and you're also familiar with this thing that we are done with our syllabus, and from this week onwards we have started the revision, and we have started from the very basic topic, the very first thing, which is our house. So in our first class we talked about what a house is, how we can define it. Then we also discussed through the help of a video that, let's say if somebody asks you that, can you please tell me something about your house, so how will you tell that, how will you explain that, right? How many of you remember it? Very good. And then I asked you guys also that please tell me something about your house, or if I ask you about your house, how will you explain that, right? So we did this activity in the class together as well, and we write few lines about your house as well. Let's quickly watch that video again and revise what we have learned so far, and then we will talk about the difference between the flat and the single story house. So is my screen visible? Okay, great.
Hello. Today's topic. My house. Hello everyone. We have moved into a new house. I'm super excited. Let me give you a round of the house. This our garden area. Let's go inside. Welcome to my living room. Lots of books around. This is the family room. We watch TV here together. This is my bedroom. Looks messy. Have to unpack. Let's go to the kitchen now. Really hungry. But let me wash my hands first. In the bathroom. So this is the kitchen or dining area. I'm starving. I hope you like my house.
So see, he explained his house. He talked about all of the parts. And similarly, when you were describing about your house, you should also include all of these parts, right? Now let's move toward the parts of house. So when we talk about the parts of house, it's not compulsory that all of the houses have these parts. But yes, if they have, we can name them in this manner. So the first comes the drawing room or the guest room, which is specifically for the guests, right? Then we have a bedrooms. There can be a master bedroom, there can be children bedroom, and all types of bedrooms where we go to sleep. Then we have the living room or the sitting area where all of the family members, they sit together, they can have chit chat, they can have the evening tea together. There can be a small library at the back where you can read the books together as well, right? Then kitchen, bathrooms, these are the compulsory part of all of the houses. Then there are some types of houses which have a front garden or the back garden, right? So and there can be houses which have the garage and some of them do not have. So all of these are do vary according from house to house. Now, in today's class, we will be discussing what is the difference between the flats and the single story house. So, like the name, its name suggests you, a single story house is a house which has only one story, which comprises only one story, right? So, and yes, whatever is in this house, it is on one story, right? There are no stairs to go upstairs, to go on the rooftop. There can be stairs, but there is nothing on the top of it, right? So it's only single story. um, all the bedrooms, all the kitchen, the washrooms, garden, everything is on a single story, right? So this is one type of house. So tell me, how many of you live in this type of house? Raise your hands. Okay. And the next type of house that we have are the flats, right? The flats, or in US, they're also known as apartments. Now, the flats or apartments are basically the big buildings in which instead of single house, there are multiple houses, one above the other, right? If we talk about the structure of the house, infrastructure, it is almost same of all the houses. They look like same, the size of the bedrooms, kitchen, entrance, windows, everything is same, right? You might have seen different types of flats in different societies in Islamabad, in Bahria town, in DHA, right? So all of these societies, they do have flats. And the speciality about them is that the structure of all of the houses in a flat or in an apartment, they are same. They look like same, okay? Okay, so another thing that we are supposed to discuss in today's class is that what are airy houses, and the other opposite of this. Similarly, what are the houses in which we have enough light? Now, it can be that they are sun-faced houses, right? Or it can be that they have the good ventilation system. So as we are moving forward, you see that the population in the cities, they are increasing at greater rate, right? So nowadays, all the houses which are being built, they are built in a manner that they have good ventilation system so that they can have good light and air in them, right? Okay. Now, what I want you is to please take out your notebooks. Hurry up. Okay, now because we are done with the discussion about the house, or what are the things we are supposed to tell while we are discussing about our house. So now you will write few lines about your house. First, you will describe it. You will talk about the parts of it. You will mention all the things which would have a garden, a garage, a balcony, whatever, a playing area, swimming pool, whatever it has, right? And then you will also talk about it, whether it is a single story house or you live in flats or apartments. You're also supposed to talk about the whether it's airy or not, right? So take out your notebooks and start writing. Yes, everybody is working. That's very great. Let me know when you are done. Okay, yes, Alize is done. Yes, Alize, what type of house do you live in? You live in flats, okay? On which story? Second story, okay. How many bedrooms do you have? Great. Do you have a balcony or an open area? Okay, so let's ask Vase. Yes, Vase, what type of house do you live in? Very good. And what about the parts of it? Excellent. Okay, so all of you are done? Very good. Okay, so we are done with this topic. Inshallah, in tomorrow's class, we will be having a revision of this whole topic again, and then we will be doing a small activity together as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this lecture. Do revise each and everything at your home because we are preparing ourselves for the final assessment, which is going to be very, very soon. So let me know if you have any confusion in anything. Share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.